Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to create a group on Instagram, updated with the latest process. If you've been wanting to bring all your friends, family, or team members together in one chat, this is the easiest way to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. At the top right corner of your home screen, you'll see the messenger icon. Tap on it, and this will take you directly to your direct messages. Once you're in your direct messages, look at the top right corner again. You'll see a small icon that looks like a pencil and paper. This is the new message button. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, this is where the important step comes in. From the menu that pops up, select Group Chat. This is the option that lets you create a brand new conversation with more than one person. Next, you'll need to choose who you want to add into your group. Simply scroll through your contacts or type in the names of the people you want to include. You can add as many people as you like, as long as they're on Instagram. After you've selected everyone, it's time to give your group a name. This is the name everyone in the group will see when they open the chat, so you can make it something fun, descriptive, or personal. Just type in whatever fits the purpose of your group. The final step is tapping Create Group Chat. Once you do this, your group will be live, and you'll be taken into the conversation right away. From here, you can start sending messages, share photos, videos, and even send voice notes to the group. And that's it. You've just created your very own group on Instagram, and now all your chosen members will be able to chat together in one place. Whether it's for planning events, keeping in touch with friends, or organizing a project, creating a group chat makes everything more convenient. Thanks for watching.